Man, I just finished a very big bowl of ramen just in time for this to start. Whew. Hello, everybody. I started eating the ramen too late. I should have started eating it like 10 minutes ago, and instead I started eating it like 4 minutes ago, and then I realized the time, and I was like, oh, panic! And so, yeah, no, actually, though, I might have dropped noodles everywhere. I've been wiping off my desk because it was just massive slurping going on, but good one, Tanya. We made it. This is water, not vodka. Hello, Stale Fruit Loops. The day's been good. Lots of meetings today. Who does a person have to bribe to get a cool shirt like that? I think you can get it on the Netlify swag store. Let me see if I can find it. Yeah, look at this. And we're gonna be doing reorders soon, but yeah, it should be on there. The fact that you had to pretend it's water tells us it's vodka. Heyo. Yep. Thanks for liking it. Anyone else having a good old struggle day before the holiday? Yes. It kind of worked out that I've had a lot of meetings today because whew, I otherwise would not have much motivation today. 4th of July for the Americans in the house. Freedom Day and all that jazz. I know some companies are doing Friday and Monday off, some just Monday. My team is doing Friday and Monday, so ooh, should be good. We've been prepping more and more for our move because it's going to actually happen soon. We're going to move into the new place, and regular viewers will be happy to know some of our cabinets were delivered. Notice how I say some, it's not all of them, and so I'm like partially celebrating, but still, some of them were delivered. They haven't been installed, but we have parts of cabinets in the house, which is very exciting. So I'm very, very happy. Man, that ramen I had was really good. I kind of wish I took my time to eat it, but duty calls. I'll take more meetings over struggling to get the deploy all right. Oh, whenever a deploy is struggling and like you're just like, I don't know what to do. I've done everything right. That's when it gets annoying. That's when it just gets irritating. Kimboo, thank you so much for the sub. I appreciate it. So the price of wood, eh? Yeah. Yeah, that whole thing. Hello, everybody. Man, I can't tell you what a mad rush was. Like, I was literally just like, and I was like, I have a timer for when my camera goes on. I really should just be more flexible with it, but I had like 15 seconds left, and I was like, okay, this is it. And then I like gave the bowl to Joe, who took it away to eat my leftovers, and I'm here. Chaos. You even rolled back to older display scripts and it's still broken? No. That sucks. That really sucks. I've been messing with this one project. I've been playing with Spotify and Astro, and I've gotten to a good place. Like, I have a storefront showing up, but I can't get adding to cart working. And I know that it will work because my entire team, we're using the same serverless functions and stuff, and so it's very generic that it should work. But something's not, and it's driving me mad. But we'll get there. El Padras, I was wondering if you'd make a stream on Tori. It showed up my stream recently and I was impressed. Tori was that desktop app thing, right? Build smaller, faster, and more secure desktop web applications with a web front end. Desktop applications. Yeah, I'll share it. It looks interesting. We have talked about it on here before. I'm down to build with it. I don't know anything about it, and so, well, I guess look at that. It does Windows, Mac, and Linux. iOS is in progress. Are you already using GitHub Copilot? I do have access to it, but I haven't tried it yet. I could try that. But yeah, I've been meaning to play with it more and I haven't. Let's see. Okay, let's take a peek. It's using Rust tools, HTML rendered in a web view, Tory dev to build your app, Oh, dang, that is a very big... Oh, it's because it needs Visual Studio C++. I think I have that. Yeah, maybe I'll do this another time. This is something that, like... This is something that might take a bit of time. But yeah, I'd be down to try some GitHub Copilot. This thing. That thing. I don't know why I went to it via notifications, but here we are. Yeah, I could try this. Nice, 5 cat. That's awesome. I love it when meetings are rescheduled. Okay. Let's do this getting started guide. Well, we'll see what happens. Okay, I don't have VS Code open. 1 second. I don't actually know what this... Oh, this was me helping someone. Okay, that's a different app. Okay. Let's try it, shall we? Ed Albert, thank you so much for the resub. You are great. Okay. Visit the Copilot extension page, Open it, do the thing, install. Okay, now that I've installed it, I guess it's time. Oh wait, I have to sign into GitHub to prove I exist. Okay. That's me. You're gonna watch all my code mapped on stuff. Okay. It did succeed. Okay, great. Cool. Well, there's my authentication token. Please don't steal it. Okay. I'm going to revoke it after this stream. Jeff Blankenberg! What up, fam? I just got a marketing email from you. Good to see you. For those who don't know Jeff, he's a very fun guy. Like a mushroom. Get it? Fun guy? Heh heh. In Ohio. Who does live streaming and other cool stuff. Thanks, Lindsay. I assume that the ... is you liking my joke. You're here to get a code or something. You wait, do people want Polywork codes? Because my latest one is Cassidy Pikachu, but Pikachu is spelled with 2 O's, so it can work for you. Ben, thank you for rating. Jimena, thank you for subs. I just installed GitHub Copilot onto my VS Code, and so I'm gonna try doing something. I guess, yeah, I guess I gotta start a new project. 11 months. Oh my gosh, it's hard to believe it's almost been a year. That is wild. Okay. We can start a new... Jacob Bolda, thank you so much for the sub. And Jason, thank you so much for the sub. Hype train! Okay, I'm gonna start a new project. I guess this will be another hype train! Oh my gosh, thank you everybody. Hype, 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 hype. I am going to try to make a new Vite project again. We'll just make something. Someone give me ideas, otherwise I'm just gonna start going with this. Garadow, thank you so much for the sub. I need to, like, memorize how to init a new Vite project, but it's vite.js/app. We're gonna start this. Let's go for it. Okay. Yes, that's cool with me. Hey, Ben, thank you so much for all the gift subs. You are great. Isn't there a big list of ideas? You're right! We did! What was that at? Cast.run/brainstorm? I think so. That's right. Good work. Cast.run/brainstorm. Hype train! Okay. So, now we have all of these app ideas that we made together. We did do this emoji to Morse code. So how do you cross things out on Notion? I don't know. Am I not logged in? Why is it not letting me do stuff? Oh, don't look at this! Ah! I caught it before it loaded. Thanks, Notion, for being slow. Okay. Now I can go back. Oh my gosh, no! Well, it's one of those days. Okay, now we've got this. All right, zooming in. And now, let's see, we can cross this out because we did this one. That's all I wanted to do. Let's see, what do we want our app to do? Tinder for fonts, what does it even mean? I don't know. It was just a part of brainstorming things. Oh my gosh. Let's see. Better Goodreads. Clubhouse, but not. Seriously though, I think, like, I'm using Streamlabs, for example, to stream to Twitch, but I could also stream it to, like, YouTube and Facebook and stuff like that. If someone made something like that, but for Clubhouse, Twitter Spaces, and Discord stages, millionaire. You should do it. Watch more ASMR. Thank you so much for the sub. You should do it. Make that app. Multi-stream audio. I did get my contacts back. Yes! I started moving stuff into the house, and so I was able to get my contacts out of storage. It's very exciting. Many dollars, much bucks. Wow. Yes. Let's see. Some of these involve, like, more than just silly work. Level 4 hype train! Yeah, it is. Let's get it. Okay, let's see. Bring back GeoCities. Probably can't do that today as much as we might want to try. Let's see. I like this one, but I think that might take too much time. Jason, thank you so much for gift subbing. And yes, like Jimena said, we've got a Discord channel, and so right in here, you can jump into the Discord channel. I hype train again. But anyway, you can join the Discord channel either via Patreon or via gift subs, and then yeah, you connect your Twitch to Discord, and it does the thing where it invites you to the channel. It's very exciting. Multi-stream audio with GitHub Copilot. I know, right? Let's see. Anonymous, do we need a meeting for this bot? One of the viewers on here did make this one, and I thought that was great. I have to run. Thank you, Jason. Thank you again. Mewtru, hey, what's up? Let's see. I do like the idea of a cute stock ticker. Is there like an open stock API? Hey, Talon. Mewtru, thank you so much for the sub. There's so many... Better time zone converter. That one actually could be pretty good. Unexpected engineer. Hey, thank you so much. I didn't expect that. What? Ben, thank you. Ah, you're all so great. Thank you so much. Fin Hub? I've never heard of that. I don't know why I pulled that out on a different window, but there we go. Stock API, okay. Oh, I needed an API key. I don't know if I want to deal with that. I want just like an open API. Wait, you know what? There's a numbers API. I could use that one for fun facts about numbers. We could make just a very creative one. Thank you so much for the sub. Everybody, thank you so much. What up? Hype train. Okay, yeah. You know what? I'll just do that. That's easy. I'll do like a... You know what? We could make this interesting. We could make it so every single route in our app, it shows... no, it just ends up recreating the numbers API. What am I even doing? Should come up with something. I'm not even sure if you have a Taco Bell around here. Oh, that's a bummer. I love Taco Bell. Can you share this Notion list? Yes. Thank you so much, Adalvard, for sharing it. It's cast.run/brainstorm. If any of you have ideas, I could make a new brainstorming sesh, because this is from February 11th, and it's July 1st. But so we could have a whole new list here. Quantopian? What's that? I wonder if... I bet you could scrape some kind of Taco Bell locations thing and totally do that. I'm sorry, I added it to the list. Poor Jimena. She's so aware of Taco Bell existing right now. Can these projects be physical? I mean, sure, but I'm looking for a digital project right now. Overlay for your stream that visualizes music. Oh. I thought you migrated over to Obsidian. Oh, I did. I still use Obsidian for things. But this is for because I share it in like a live link. That's where I put it. Cuz you can still see it here. Oh, for example, this note, I was thinking it'd be funny to make a tech baby names book and it's all just really terrible names after programming languages and stuff. That's under the ideas tag. I do like that. Stream overlay with audio visualizer. I kind of want to do just a small thing that we could do that we could do just while on the stream. You know what? Maybe I'll just do like a Pomodoro timer. Programming languages named after people. Yeah, no, I mean that would count. It would work. Yeah, no, I genuinely want to like illustrate it and turn it into a whole thing, but I've got a plan first, so we'll see. Hype train! We hit level 5. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the sub. 503 serve her error. Server error. That's amazing. I love that username so much. That's so funny. I appreciate all the Pomodoro bots for Discord and stuff, but I'm gonna stick with a web app purely because all of the GitHub Copilot stuff will probably be pulling from my existing web things. You know? Yeah, you know what? It's just gonna be a quick timer. We'll just do something small like that, or like a something basic, some kind of React app. I'm gonna call it Stream Copilot. No, I gotta come up with something clever. What are we doing? I'm calling it timer, but I'm spelling time like time the seasoning, and it's going to be a timer app, and we're going to have time in there. Done. That's going to be a React app. Done. Yeah. Okay, we're cding in npm install. Gonna let that go. And then GitHub will write my entire app for me, I think. So here we go. I think it's npm. Oh wait, I actually have to open it in here. Not that. La 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 la. Okay, here we are. We've made it to our basic little app, and now it's going to like code itself or something. I think it's npm run dev, right? Yes. Okay. Let's see what GitHub can do. So we've got this little thing. It works. I'm going to take these out. I'm kind of nervous. What's it going to say? Let me take all of this out. I'm going to make a new timer.js X component, and I'm going to say import React from React. And then, I don't know. It's not telling me how to do anything. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Can you see that? Huh. Okay, that's cool. Export default function timer. Wow. Wait, what is this? It is a simple component that's used to show the time since the component was created? Whoa. That is pretty dang wild. That's pretty dang wild. Like, I know it doesn't do anything, but I mean, hey, I didn't write it. Okay, well, I'm going to... Okay, first of all, I'm going to import it. Let me see if it knows that I want to import it. I'll do import timer, and let's see what it does. Nothing? That's fine. Oh, look, there it is. Okay, wow, it did it. Cute. Okay. I don't know why that's not... Oh, it's because there's nothing on the page. Heh. Okay, well, there's that. It's something. Man, well, I guess it's time to do a timer function. I'm going to make a button, and it's going to be start timer, and then I'm just gonna have a I need to import state. Okay, and then I want to see. Oh my gosh! What? It recommended the seconds and set seconds. That's sick. That's really cool. I did see that it suggested passing count. That was really interesting. But dang, that is cool. Whoo! Wow. Okay. Now I guess let me do... That is wild. Okay. And now we're going to increase the seconds. And so I'm going to import use effect. And then we're going to do... Oh my gosh. Look at that. Started my use effect. Cool. Oh my gosh! What? That's what I was going to type! That part is the one that blows my mind. Everything else, I was just like, wow, that's pretty neat. That is wild. What? Well, holy crap. That is sick. I know it's not exactly the things that we're going to be doing, but oh my word. Yes, we're not gonna get into the details of request animation frame, da 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 da. We can fix all this later. I'm talking about the coolness of the fact that it just did that for me. And so actually the reason why it just stopped at that 1 second, does anybody know why? This is Teacher Cassidy. Do you know why it stopped at just the 1 second? Yes, React didn't update. Why didn't React update? Yes, it did run only once. Why did it run only once? Yes! N. Muehlman got it right. It is because of this dependency array. It is empty. Yes, Red Rambles. Yes, Raisin. Yes. Utpald2912. All of you. Yes. No dependencies. And so whenever you have an empty dependency array, that means it only runs on mount. When you have a variable in it, it runs on mount and whenever that variable updates. And then if you have none, then it just runs constantly. But even GitHub Copilot knows that it shouldn't do that. But now, look at that. It's counting. What a time. What a place. But we also don't want it to just, like, go forever, you know? We wanna make it so that way, oh no! Oh no, now we've got, you know, here's the problem. Stop it. Do your nice little refresh. Okay. Calm down. It's now starting to like overlap with each other because it doesn't have have any proper synchronization happening. But we can add a start and stop button. Yes. I think use effect is a good way of doing this, but probably not the best way of doing this. Set seconds to seconds plus 1. I don't think you need to do that. I'm down to try it if you'd like me to, but I don't think that's necessary. Oh, it doesn't like... That's interesting how the... But yeah, no, I do think it's set interval's fault, for sure. Oh. Look at that! Vyasta Condio, look at you go! I don't actually like this, but it's neat. Yeah, because, yeah, it's the new interval every render. And so, typically I should actually, like, you can do a timeout and then clear the timeout on the state change. And so that's typically how I would do it. But actually what I'll do is I'll be like, What? Oh my gosh. What are you gonna recommend for me now, GitHub? Anything? Didn't think so. Well, that's what I wanted. That's wild. Okay. Do if that's that, yep. Holy crap. That's so cool. That is so cool. Okay. Well, and I wanted to do something in here where if running question mark. This is crazy! That's so cool! Ah! Oh my gosh. Okay, well it doesn't like that, but that's fine. That's because of the thing. This is fine. Everything is fine. I'll do that, and then I'll do the... That's freaking me out, but in like the coolest way. Like I am geeking so hard. Oh, and I mean, like, everybody's saying AI is taking our job. Sure it is. Just code until AI takes it. But what's really exciting is, oh, also Bright Horizon. Congratulations on your first job. That's so exciting. What's really cool is, like, even if it just gets rid of the need to write a lot of boilerplate code that you would already write, like this is a very simple timer, and again, this is wild how much it did for us, but like if we don't have to write the simple boilerplate stuff so you can focus on like more complex logic, like, man, that is wild. Is this available to everyone? You can request access to it. I got access through GitHub stars, yeah, but anybody can request access to it. And yes, we do have to clear the interval. Thanks, GitHub. Thanks, GitHub. Oh my gosh. That's wild. Oh, look at this. There's a little visual bug there. Oh, it's gone now. Yeah, it's actually listening to me. Man, that is nuts. What would be different between Copilot and Tab 9? I haven't tried Tab 9 myself. Yeah, so Copilot is basically AI working on this. So, okay, now that we've done this, we called it timer, which it probably doesn't realize I'm doing a pun. Take that, GitHub. Ha 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 ha. Oops. Ha 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 ha. Okay, and so that's now timer. Now let's see what it can do with CSS, right? I wonder how many subtle bugs will be introduced because we're trusting it. Yeah, no, same. That'd be interesting. You must be a seasoned coder. I love that. Yeah, no, I don't actually believe I'm clearing the interval properly either. That was just GitHub writing it. Mostly because I don't remember how to clear intervals. Set interval, clear interval. Want to make sure that it's doing it right. Oh yeah, I gotta set a var, or a variable. No, GitHub, you're not gonna do this for me. Not this time. Man. That is cool. I don't think that'll work though. Yeah. Oh, it does. Really? Let me do it every half a second just so it goes a little faster. Okay, yeah, no, that's it. Great. Cool. We'll put that back at a full second. I tweeted this the other day, but did you know that you can use underscores as like numerical separators? And so like, let's just say I wanted to do it like every 10 seconds or I had to do a bunch of this. You can do an underscore here and it'll still register this as a number. And so you can make sure that you're paying attention and not having to count zeros and stuff. It's really nice. And it's not just in JavaScript, like Java lets you do it, I think C# did. Can you try writing a comment about a function? Sure. Let's do it here, actually. No, not importing the component. Huh. You see that? It's doing this param name, the name of the component, but it's not taking parameters, so it's not correct. But it's still cool. Huh. So it did do some things in there, but not everything. I think you can describe in a comment and we'll write you a function. Really? Okay. So how about I'll do a function that, well, what should the function do? Well, there it is. I just did tab and enter for that. That's wild. Yeah, I'll do another one. A function that returns Fibonacci numbers. Ah. That's so cool. That's so cool. Oh my gosh. Dang it! Learn this. Oh my gosh! It added the colon best developer! That's so great! Man, this is amazing! Yeah, that's true. As a teaching tool, that would be very, very cool. Man. Whoa, this is sudden. A function that returns the best language in the world. It wrote this comment. What's it gonna be? Oh no! I'm sorry, everybody else. JavaScript has been told that it's the best by the AI. There's nothing you can do to stop it. Oh my gosh. Man, it just keeps doing this. Okay, now it just keeps doing that. How about this? A function that returns the most corrupt corporation in the world. Tell us, AI. Man. That was pretty funny. Someone please clip that. Oh man. That's true, it might be hard-coded for libel cases. I want to know what else will you tell us? A function that tells us the next lottery numbers. Aha! It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6! Oh man. If the lost number showed up, I can't tell you the joy I would feel. I'm actually going to train this AI right now. 4, 8, 15, 16. Look at that! 2342! It suggested it! It knows! Oh my gosh. Okay. A function that returns who shot first. Okay, you ready? I don't think that's right. I don't know about that one. I'm gonna say no. Oh, what did I just do? Oh, there we go. Okay. A function that returns if we should have pineapple on our pizza? Is that what that's saying? I'm just gonna do this. A pineapple on our pizza. Return true! The AI says it! We gotta have pineapple on pizza. There it is. Disgusting! Wow. Man. This is so cool. Okay, what are some other things we should ask it? A function that returns if AI is going to replace us. Will AI replace us? Yep. There it is. Here we go. A function that returns the best food in the world. Yes, please. Pizza. There you go. Yeah, this is basically crystal balling. The best color in the world. Ooh, what do you think it's gonna be? I'll try this. Blue. Okay. Kind of a boring answer, AI, but that's fine. Wow, look at all of you with blue! You win! Why did everybody guess that? Huh. Okay. Yeah, let's do a function that, I actually want to try a function that inverts a binary, not number, tree. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's working. Oh my gosh. That's... a function that returns the first n prime numbers. This isn't even hard for it. It's interesting that it's doing it this way. Huh. Wow. Look at that. Yeah, no, Gabbar was thinking the same thing. Like, I probably wouldn't have done primes that way, but hey, I mean, it works. Everyone wants FizzBuzz. Okay, a function that solves... Wow, the quadratic equation. Okay, but FizzBuzz. What? Oh, okay. What? Why is it looping it? I'm starting to question how good this AI is. Why would you loop that? What? Okay, I'm gonna just make you be wrong. Oh, does it expect an array of numbers? That it's expecting an array of numbers. What? Oh, fizzbuzz for the first n numbers. Got it. Got it. Good call. Good call. I was thinking of the one where you input like a number and it prints based on that. But yeah, got it. The first n numbers. That makes sense. Let's see. There's so many things. Yeah, I can try another language. I want to do one more. A function that does merge sort. Man. Why did I get a computer science degree? Holy crap. This is so interesting to me. Oh my gosh. Import sort from merge sort. Can it solve a hacker rank problem? Yeah, we can look up some hacker rank problems. But, try a function that increases my salary. Like getting a journal as a degree in the 90s. Yeah, no, it's very, very cool. A function that solves the knapsack problem. Oh boy. I'm getting so many flashbacks to school. That's a function that translates to Spanish. Ooh, that's a good one, Tom. A function that translates an English word to Spanish. I'll do Spanish specifically first. What? Does it just do the entire dictionary? How long is that line? Oh, it just does numbers. So it's just so it's doing all of the numbers. That's very funny. I mean, honestly, I'm still mildly impressed. Yeah, like for a robot, that's not that bad. Wow. Okay. Yeah. No. I'll do a function that translates an English phrase to Spanish. How about that? I want it to call an API. Nope. It's still the numbers again. Is it the same numbers? Yeah. Sad. How about just, a function that fetches the latest Bitcoin price? How about that? No! That's not it. Come on. I'm just gonna keep that. I like it. Yeah, I gotta fetch it from an API. I wonder if you can name an API. That fetches the latest Bitcoin price from the Coinbase API. How about that? Nope. That wasn't it. Yeah, I'll try that. A function that returns the weather in a given city. Dang it, come on! I want it to fetch, it might like avoid very specific URLs. Yeah, it's just a troll. Technically correct, yeah. Let's think of something it could pull from. See you later, Chooch. Conway's Game of Life. Oh my gosh. Yeah, what if I do provide the API URL? That's a good idea. Let's say, I mean, let's do, wait, blockchain.info, what's that? Okay, yeah, I can try that. A function. Oh, that's kind of fun. That returns the current time? Huh, cute. Okay. Yeah, no, I want to do one that doesn't require an auth key. We're doing, unknown listener, we are trying GitHub Copilot. Yeah, api.weather.com needs an API key. I don't think the Dribble API needs a key. Does it? Maybe. Let's find out. A function that returns a random image from the Dribble API. How about that? Ooh! Does it literally just return? Yeah, that just returned the Dribble logo. Sad. Okay. Oh wait, but it returns instead of fetching. So maybe I have to be more specific. A function that fetches a random image from the Dribble API. Nah, it's the same one. Okay. A function to convert an image into ASCII? Ooh. A function that converts an image into nope. That is not it. A function that returns. Oh, I like that. A function that returns the trademark character. Oh, that's not it. It's the registration character, but it's close. It's close. Yeah, the stream is trying to make fetch happen. Actually, I'm curious. I want to do like a function that capitalizes the first letter of a string and lower cases the rest. I want to see if it... Oh, look at that. Shouldn't have questioned it. That is wild. Yeah, we could pull in an API key. Let me think of, actually, NASA API. NASA has some open APIs that we could use. Astronomy picture of the day. A function that returns that fetches the NASA, what is it? NASA astronomy picture of the day via their APOD API. I want to get really specific. I mean, that's technically correct, again, because it's pulling the current image. Okay, what if I just start trying to fetch this? I'll start doing some code instead of just hitting enter. Oh yeah, let me set the APOD URL. That's a good idea. Oops. Okay, so now that we've done this, there you go. There you go. Wow. That is nuts. That is really cool. That is really cool. Well, and so because we're turning the URL, I'm gonna, just because I'm curious about this now, I'm gonna put this at the top of my timer. Does it not like that? Yeah, it's a promise still. A sync function, etc. Actually, I want to see if I can do, instead of the fetch, if I did that, that's what I was gonna say. Oh, it gives random suggestions every time you try? I see. Well, hey, I wanted to do a wait. It probably doesn't like that I'm just calling it right in here, though. I'll do... Huh, that's not what I wanted to do, but that's neat. I'm gonna do, how smart are you, GitHub? Look at that. Doesn't like that though. Oh crap. Wait, nope, nope. Stop. Oh, and I don't have my API key. Let me do the demo key really quick. I'm sorry for DDoSing NASA. It was not my intention. Was that... Oh, I didn't actually do anything with it. Let me then console.log apod and see what we get. Oh, there it is. And so I could do an image. I could be just like apod there, and then inside of here I'll do an image source equals, what is it gonna suggest? Oh my gosh, is that right? It is. Holy crap. That's so cool. Oh my gosh. That's so cool. That's so cool. Wow. Man, that is amazing. Okay, so we've called an API. I'm going to get rid of this part. You've seen it, we get it. I do want to try the CSS thing. But actually, all of these functions that aren't relevant, here, I'll put them in a gist really quick. And I'll be just like Copilot suggestions.js, a gist of all of the functions that Copilot wrote for me. Cool. And so now I'll paste that in the chat. And so if y'all want to play around with that and have proof, it's very exciting. Okay. Maybe I'll write a blog post on this. Okay, we've got use selector from React Redux. What? No. What? Huh. Okay. So, if it works with CSS, this will be a drop of the mic. Yeah, no, so now I want to do CSS. And so I'm going to do a new file called timer.module.css. Okay. And so now I'm going to import that. Import styles from timer.module.css. And now let's start styling. Let's see. I'm very curious to see what happens here. I'll just do styles.timer like this. Actually, I'm gonna be a little bit smarter with my names. I'm gonna do styles.container because I want to see if it specifically goes with container. Recommend things. Okay. Okay. Okay, so it's centering everything. Oh, okay. Sure. Okay, that's fine. I'm also going to delete that app.css. So there's the only styles we see are the ones that we make, so don't yell at me. Okay, that's pretty ugly, but we'll keep going with it. We'll do styles.header. I'm just going to do really sensical names, and I want to see what it thinks beautiful design is. That's all the same. Okay, let me try heading and see if it does anything. Okay, that's interesting. Okay, so that's what it wants our heading to look like. I'm okay with that. Let's do our button next. Thank you for the class name. Wow, so smart. Okay. Hit me. Oh. What are these colors? Okay. Okay. Okay, that's what it wants our button to look like. I'll take that. That's nice. Okay. Now we need the actual timer. This one I won't do a typical name. This one I'll just call it styles.timer. This one we'll see if it does anything particularly unusual. Oh, that's interesting. It's very similar to the heading. And huge. Hmm. Okay, well, I hate that. What if I did a different name? What do we want to call this? Styles dot main? Let's do that. Main. Okay, so it just wants that. That's nothing. Legible text is very important for a system with OCR. Yeah. Oh, tagline. I like that. I'll try tagline. Okay. That's different. I do want to see what CTA would look like. Is it the exact same? Yep, it's the exact same. So tagline and CTA are the same type of thing. Yeah, ooh, I'll do a footer, yeah. Okay. Did you see that it suggested tagline.header? Or tagline hover? That wasn't as smart. Can you describe the style and it writes it for you? I mean, I'm not writing any of these styles. So we'll see. Oh yeah, negative margins are best practice now. Heyo. Oh, I didn't change the heading. Thank you. Good call. Alright. This is an AI designed timer. Beautiful. Ooh, that's a good idea. Class rainbow? Okay, so I guess it wants a rainbow. Oh, it's about to write the rainbow animation. Okay. Oh, is it gonna rotate between them? But that's the same. That's the same. It did the thing though. So let me just add. I'm gonna add this to the background of container or something. Let's just do that. Well, there it is. That's rainbow. It didn't rotate between the colors. I bet it could if you did like a hue rotation of some kind. Okay, wait, actually, yeah, look at that. At 50% it did something, so what if I did 25%? Oh, that's still yellow. Okay. Well, what if I did like 80%? I'm just curious. Nah. Oh, actually no, that's green. That's kind of something. Yes, this is GitHub Copilot. Nah, it's not changing. Okay, sure, I'll try 20%. Nah, it's still that yellow. Okay, what was the other one? Oh yeah, dot gradient. I want to try that. Oh, we got something. Okay, let's see what gradient does. Oh, look at that. It looks pretty ugly. We'll see. I'm just gonna do. Hey, you know it's hideous, but it's ours. That is pretty gross. I'll do a little one of these and a little one of these, do a little one of these, and then I'll do. There we go. Beautiful. Will it suggest comments? Yes, it will. I don't know if it will for CSS though. Let's find out. Yeah, only language CSS. What if I did CSS3 animation for a gradient background? Yes, please. No. No, no. Also, it specifies CSS3. Not sure who's training that. Yeah, it should be. I don't know if background colors can animate like this. Yeah. Class marquee? Absolutely. Genius idea. This doesn't seem like it'll be right. No, it's doing the exact same thing it did before. Actually, this is doing better animation-wise than the other one was. Huh. Yeah, it's copying the same rainbow as before. That whoever designed this had terrible taste in colors. Or rather, the algorithm does. Huh. Yeah, I'm gonna get rid of this gradient stuff. We tried. I'm gonna get rid of the rainbow too. Okay, what else should we try to build? I kind of want to build one more, just another component in here. There's so many options. I kind of want to do another. Wait, what? Oh, look at that. Huh. Wow. That's amazing. Wow. If you describe a component, it can create one for you? Yeah, so what if we did, rounded image component. Well, that's not what I expected. Huh. Now try creating unit tests? Ooh, good call. I haven't... If I had done this with Create React App, it would have them built in. I need to, Oops. I wonder if Vite has some built in. Let's find out. Tests. Yeah, I don't think it does. That's fine. I guess I could do this myself. Although, actually, I've seen quite a few demos of people making tests. Will it make an SVG? Oh. You know, I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna do timer.svg. And I'm just gonna... What does an SVG file start with? Okay. Go. Make it. Yeah, I don't think it's that smart. If it did this, like, I think I just have to retire. Oh my gosh. What is this? Oh my gosh. It's making something. I don't know what it's making. I don't know what it's doing. I'm just gonna keep hitting enter until it tells me to stop, and I guess let's find out what the heck it just made. Okay. What am I importing? I don't even remember how to do this. Like, I'm honestly just baffled right now. What was it? What was it before with the logo? Was it just import something like that? Okay. I have no idea what this is going to be. Hello? Well, I don't know what that is. Let me do, I deleted app.css, but I'll just do just gonna hard code this for a second. Okay, it's just black. We don't have to panic. Although, you know, they all say black, but one of them says none. I'm going to try like red on occasion, green. I'm just curious to see what will change. Anything? I don't know enough about SVGs. But it's supposed to be a circle, right? They're all circles with a bigger radius. There are a bunch of centered circles getting bigger and bigger. Oh! Oh, that makes sense. So technically they should be reversed. You know, I got time. I should have it write a function that does this for me. You know what, that's enough. I don't know if that's right. Use option key and direction? What? Doesn't that just move things up and down? It's not rotating. Yeah, R is the radius. So is this it? Whoa! Oh my gosh, look! It's circles! Whoa. Okay, so I get it. And now I want to get back the ones that I didn't do. Okay, That is... Okay. The ones that I didn't do, because I want to fill in the rest of this. Let's see, I did the 36 one. Okay, so I need the 28 one. 20, 12, and 4. This is wild. Holy crap. Look at that. Yeah, it's a bullseye. And really the colors, it was just all black before, and so that's why we couldn't see it. I mean, I know the AI didn't really write this, but it kind of did, and that is wild. Yeah, I did hard code that 500 pixels, but that's because it was huge. But here it is when it's not hard coded, staring into your soul. Man. Oh, glory to the Hypno Copilot. Seriously. This has been amazing. The fact, yeah, it wrote, the Copilot thing wrote this SVG. How wild is that? Yeah, there's the rainbow we've been looking for. This is a lot cooler than I was expecting. I had very low expectations, I admit. But man. Try and see if Copilot can commit your code. I don't think it's built for that. But actually, no, I'm gonna do a README. Let's see what this has to say. Nothing? Come on, GitHub. Really? Nothing? Wow, that's a shame. Yeah, no, there's nothing. Yeah, maybe it excludes markdown files. GitHub Copilot. I wanted to make sure that I'm doing the right. There we go. Well. Okay, I'll do unit tests. I haven't installed Jest in a very long time. It's one of those things that you do and then you never think about ever again. So please forgive me while I completely learn how this works once more. Alright. Oh, Copilot was disabled for Markdown? What? Good call. Oh, well now, okay. I'm going to paste this really quick. There. I want to see what it'll do. There it is. Huh. Well, this is not correct in any way, but there you go. Also, I'm sorry all of you saw that red button before I did. Yeah, this is definitely not what my app does, but I appreciate it. I'm gonna put this back. It probably doesn't like that I insulted its CSS. Oh, look at that! There you go. No, that's okay. I will keep that sentence. No. Yeah, it's not fully self-aware yet. Man, that's pretty neat. Okay. Now let's add those tests y'all were talking about. We installed it. Now, truly haven't done this in ages. Usually I just use what's built in. Or something that I did ages ago. Okay. We got our scripts in there. Why are you yelling at me? Oh, duh. Okay. And then I gotta make a test file. Does it matter where the folder is? Again, I have not done this in a bit. Okay, I'm gonna do a new file, timer.test.js. And you know what? I'm gonna do a timer util.js. Let's see what this does. Anything? Function to create a timer object. Okay. Don't know if I like that copyright, but okay. I feel like this is a person. Allie the jar? Well, maybe not, but that's weird. Very specifically 2015 to 2016 too. Why are you doing this? This is pretty dang cool, I gotta say. Clever ploy by Allie the Jar. Yeah, that copyright wasn't very cool. But, I mean, this entire file, it's writing it. Okay, well, there we go. How much longer am I streaming? Probably for a half hour more. Okay, so yeah, it's just doing all this stuff now. Okay. I'm going to get rid of this part. Okay, so now we have this timer function. And we're going to have timer.test.js. Okay, write our tests. Oh my gosh, that's pretty cool. I am all for Clippy making these suggestions. Oh my gosh, look at that. This is very cool. Oh, I didn't put commas. Or rather, they didn't. So I guess timers have to, or commas have to be in between all of these. This is pretty legit. I love not writing tests. Any more? Oh, of course. Sure. That is amazing. I am very, very impressed. Have I used my Velvetizer much? Constantly. I've had more hot chocolate in the past like week and a half than I have in years. It's so good. Be impressed after it passes. Very good call. Let's run our tests. npm run test. Let's see. It failed! Oh, it failed at the import. LOL. Oh, it's because, yeah, okay, this is where I was just relying on the AI to do stuff. Fix my package file? What's wrong with it? I wasn't paying attention. I was letting the AI tell me what to do. Oh, well, that would do it. Ha 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 ha. I'm sorry, forgive me. Do I still have polywork codes? Yes, if you do Cassidy-Pikachu, but Pikachu with 2 O's. Cassidy-Pikachu. That'll get you in. Okay, was that all I needed to do? I don't think that should have worked. Yeah, no. Do I have to require because I'm outside of a module? I have not set up Jest in so long. Oh, did I not export it? You know, that would be it too. Y'all are so smart. I've been totally relying on this AI. That's definitely what it was. I didn't have to do the old require thing. Good call. Okay. No, wait. Do I still have to do it? MJS? Okay, I'll change it to MJS. It said that it could just be .js. Unexpected token export. Okay, I just did stuff wrong depending on this AI. Yeah, just maybe on a Node version that doesn't support modules yet. Oh, okay. Got it. Okay, I'll try the MJS thing. Cool, well, that wasn't it. It does not like MJS. Yeah, no, I've done this so many times in my life. This shouldn't be difficult. I just haven't done this in ages. Type module and package JSON. Where is the type module? No, I'm not using TypeScript. Do I need to do the whole module that exports thing? I'll do. I mean, I will. This doesn't feel right. But again, an AI wrote this code, not me. Haha. Oops. Well, hey, that's something. Now I think it's actually failing for realsies. Nice, it is. Okay. Yeah, the AI did not do well for us here. Oh, it needs a Babel letter. Oh, see, this is why I didn't want to set up tests. I'm not crying, I just had something in my eye, don't worry. I should have done this in Create React app. This was my own fault. It would have had it all set up for me. I wouldn't have had to think. It's because of the code I removed? Oh, this set callback stuff? That makes... are you sure? I'm down to believe you. Again, it writes it for me, so... I did not write any of this code. We still have our jobs, everyone! No llores. Let's see. Yeah, it probably doesn't actually know what's happening here. Oh yeah, because I didn't make a constructor for this. Yeah, I think these are very separate entities, the timer and the test timer. I speak Spanish? Yes, I do. Yeah, I think you're very correct. You know, that's okay with me. I don't really want to do this, if I'm being honest. So I'm just gonna not. If that's cool with y'all. We all have our jobs, everyone gets fired for watching live dev streamings instead of working. Ew. You know, I'm still very impressed that this exists. And I'm going to leave a comment saying these tests were written by the AI and are not intended to be read by humans. Hello, JK, the AI wrote that sentence. AI didn't what? No, that's not it. That's not it. These tests will not pass. There you go. Yeah, I think you're right. I think it has to do with getting Babel Jest and stuff. I just would rather not, if I'm being honest. Okay, well, anyway, I want to commit this so that way people can see the beauty of artificial intelligence writing code. Ooh. La la la. Let's make a new repo, shall we? This week's challenge, min diff to fix test. Ooh, that would be a good one. Oh my gosh. Yeah, the whole 20-line suggestions, that's a whole thing. Thank you so much for subbing, sure. We appreciate it. Ooh, you're in Windows. How do you find working on Node and Git in Windows? Honestly, it's been great. I used to have a lot more issues than I do now. I think just with all of the advances, quote unquote, in the terminal and stuff, I've been very happy with it. I don't think, if you talked to me like 3 years ago, I would not be pleased with Windows as a development machine, but I've been pretty happy with it. What? Oh, I should probably make a commit, huh? Actually, let me just do... There we go. You'd love to have more things to do with caps points. Ooh, yeah, I would love suggestions. Insta karaoke does not sound like the best time for me, but, you know, maybe? All right. Actually, I'm going to add one more thing. Just want to add a nice little note. Cool. Well, if any of y'all want to see the Copilot demo, there it goes. Putting on a mustache and speaking Spanish. Hola. Which emoji extension is that? It's built into Windows. If you do Windows period, then the emoji thing shows up. And it also has like fun function things and like this and other silly stuff. Well, that was fun. AI is amazing. Code is amazing, am I right? That really blows my mind, all that it can do. Like, I could see it definitely being useful, kind of like the Google stuff, like You know how in Gmail it starts to suggest more and more words for you? I could see if you are working on something and you're not just farting around like I am. If you were working on something and you're just like, okay, so I have to make a timer component, I have to add these utilities and stuff. If it just saved you like a few minutes here and there from writing some of those utility functions, I could see that being really, really impressive and interesting, for sure. Yeah. For how long have I been coding? I've been coding for 18 years. Oh my gosh. My coding ability is an adult now. Holy crap. I would have won every college hackathon with this. I know, right? Ugh. The Windows period stuff, I know, when I discovered it, or I think Tom in the chat told me about it. Game changer. Now I can put emojis everywhere. Oh, it does Windows semicolon too? Maybe it's for people who have fat fingers and just like, you know how like fat fingering on a phone when you smush against it? Like I constantly do. But wow, that was very neat. Semicolon might be a different layout. Oh, okay. Yes, of course, of course. Man, can't get over this. I saw someone was asking about the music. You can do exclamation point music. It's through Epidemic Sound. Oh, actually, because that's a referral link, I wanted to remind you, or not remind you, talk about something kind of cool that I did. That's purely like, this is definitely a shameless plug, but I also am very impressed by it. So I use Raindrop for all of my bookmarks. And 1 second, let me pull it up. Oh, and of course it signs me out as soon as I log in. 1 second. Oh, I hit the log out button. That's my own fault. Okay. Anyway, I use Raindrop for all of my bookmarks. And what's cool is they now have like a share bookmarks category thing now. And so I was able to put all of my referral links into one nice page. And so whenever I add new ones, like I added Betterment the other day and stuff, it'll be on this page. Isn't that kind of cool? And then I think I made... Yeah, no, I didn't. I thought I made a short URL for it. cast.run/shortener. I might have just forgotten to. Ref. Oh, look at that. It's even shorter. So cast.run/ref. And those are all of my referral links. And I thought this was it's such a clever thing that they did here to make pages of the bookmarks and stuff. And so if I were to want to share various things, like you could basically avoid doing something like Linktree by doing it this referral link thing or any other collection of bookmarks and stuff. But anyway, if any of y'all ever end up doing something like this, I always prefer using someone's referral code than signing up for a service cold turkey. So check it out. It's kind of a fun little thing. Can you state the type of function declaration? Get it to write arrow functions instead of function name? So I think, like, theoretically you could, because it's co-piloting for you, and so like it's going based off of things that you've written and other people have written, so more people write out the word function. But if I started it with like const add equals, it would probably do the parentheses arrow function thing. New service idea, cold turkey. I don't know what it does yet. I don't know what it does yet either. But make sure you don't let that idea go away gradually, because it's cold turkey. Do you have any... Hey, thank you. Do you have any resources on functional components passing states from child to parent? Many. Probably, it's the thing is, it's the exact same as doing it with class-based components as it is with functional components. I can recommend my reusable React course that I made. I point at the screen without showing it. This thing. Because in this course, it says advanced, but it goes from beginner to advanced. It goes completely from the beginning of how React renders all the way into like passing props and state and everything from component to component, and then turning it into like complex libraries and everything. So anyway, this is the one that I am definitely biased on because I made it, but I also made it to answer questions like that because, you know, that whole thing. I wish I had a referral code for Scrimba. Scrimba's been I love how Scrimba like B Holmes said it has in the videos. Wow, I am struggling with sentences. It has in the videos you can like pause the video and type in the editor, like the editor integrates with the videos, which is pretty cool. As a teacher, so here, building reusable React, there it is. And so like this is like showing my slides, but if I were to go into, yeah, this one for forwarding refs, let's just say we got to like this. Okay, there's one. No, I don't want to hear my own voice. Okay, let's just say we got to this point in the course. You could pause and say, okay, actually I want to do div poop right here. You can't see the code much, but you can do that and it creates a little note in the timeline of your code, and then you can play the rest of the video and it's great. So I do like Scrimba a lot for that, but yes, I don't have any referral codes because it doesn't work like that. I've tried though. I'll keep trying, but yeah. Yeah, no, hearing my own voice is the worst thing. Thank you all for listening to it, because I do not enjoy it. I never look back at these streams on purpose. Carl Baskin, thank you so much for subbing. Raindrop looks pretty nice. Yes, I love Raindrop. It was one where like someone recommended it to me and I was just like, oh yeah, I'll try it. And then I think I paid for Pro after about an hour. It's so good. Because you actually can do a ton with it for free. It's a really nice bookmarking app. And it's really nice for sharing bookmarks across machines and stuff. But you can categorize things into folders as well as add hashtags, so you can see like all of your hashtag JavaScript or whatever articles. But then what's cool about Pro is it does full text search. And so, for example, I forget what it was recently. There was an article that I read where there was some quote that I remembered, but I didn't remember the article title or the author or anything. And so I searched for the quote, and it did a full text search of my bookmarks, and it found that article. It was so cool. And so I really, really highly recommend it just for saving everything and dumping your brain into it. No ref code for Raindrop? Stop. I wonder if they have those. I don't think they have those. Yeah, I don't think they have those. But I really, really highly recommend it, and it's very affordable. I think it's $20 a year, so that's manageable. Just don't drink a few coffees and you're good. I love that the Pro archives every link you add. Yes, exactly. I love how well it organizes stuff. Scrimbo's cool. It's like the Khan Academy coding lessons with the interactive. Yeah, exactly. Oh, you make the whole office listen to me. Great. Hello, contented people. As for other tools that I use, honestly, my main two like big tools are Raindrop and Obsidian, which I've talked about Obsidian plenty, but that's my note-taking app. And in said note-taking app, 1 second, I'm pulling it up. Okay, here it is. So in Obsidian, you can, this is very stupid note that I made, don't worry about it. It's basically a markdown editor. You can just like write words and write titles and stuff and be just like, hello, worldy, whatever. And then you can also preview what it looks like without the hashtags. I see everybody looking at my notes. Yes, tech baby names. I was thinking it'd be funny to make a dumb baby name book of just tech stuff and make it really, really obnoxious. Be just like, Ray suddenly turns into Ray or something. I don't know. No, this isn't... Don't worry. It's not a sad story. They're going to fall in love again. Don't worry about it. I have a lot of ideas, okay? And so anyway, I could do hashtag projects/ideas, and then it automatically categorizes this into all of my project ideas. I am not the expert on this at all. Actually, I have to do this under project ideas too. I'm not the expert on all of this. I mostly use the hashtag stuff, but it is really nice linking things. It's really, really cool. And then you get a graph of all of your notes. And I love seeing all of this, and so I could be just like, oh, these are all the blog posts I've written, or these are all of my project ideas, of which you just saw several of them. And the templates are really, really cool too, where you can see all the different templates of, or see all the different templates. You can create notes based on these templates. So for example, for my newsletter, I have a newsletter template where it starts, it's just all of the different headings that I pass in. And then this list references template, it's very short, but it's very cool. Graph is not a premium feature. Obsidian is completely free. It's a completely free app. It's local first. The only thing that you can pay for is if you want it to sync across various devices, you can pay for that. And then you can also pay for like publishing features too. But otherwise the whole thing is a free app, which is amazing. But in this list references template, I take the file title and then I list all of the different references to it. And so please don't be offended. I write a lot of notes through church and stuff. And so I used that to get, for example, this is the book of Ephesians. I can get all of the notes that I have that reference the book of Ephesians in this one file. And so I can look through all of them and be just like, oh, what was this? What was that? Justify faith, da 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 da. And so I'm able to go through my notes and then, oh, for example, Mark doesn't have one yet. And so I'm going to insert a template. It's going to be the list references template. And then I'm going to replace the templates in the active file. Now, it's all of the notes that I have that have Mark referenced in it. Isn't that cool? It's so quick. And so now I'm able to just jump around and stuff, and then I could add like church Bible right here, and it would just work. And I could do that with all of the different notes and stuff. I just wrote like this blog post about polywork, and so I have hashtag blog. And so if I wanted to now, I can click blog. I have Tom's blog in here. Hey, Tom. Hey, Allie. Thanks for raiding. What's up? And so now I can see all of my different blog posts that I've written on the side right here. It's kind of like making a wiki for yourself. And so as you make all of these connections and stuff, it's really, really powerful. Mark down or mark up, if you will. Heyo, you're very funny. Can you do this with Notion? Theoretically, some of it you can, but Notion, because it's online, like this is all local first. And so because, oh, she's stuck in the commercial. Allie, I said hello to you. Because it's all local first, like all of the markdown files that I'm editing are on my machine. And so it's very fast. Yeah, just like B. Holmes Dev says right here. Imagine Notion without spinners, because it's just on your computer. There's Allie. Hello, Allie. Thank you so much for the raid. I'm sorry about having commercials. I am not a Twitch partner. But yeah, it's really nice to do that, and it's a desktop app too, so it's not a web app. Ironically, I was slow with that quip. You tried Wingmat Dev. What have I tried before Obsidian? I used Bear a lot before, but the problem with Bear is that it's iOS and Mac only. And that was a major pain because I have a desktop PC, and especially for writing my newsletter, I would do a ton of stuff with it in Bear, but then I would basically always have to write my newsletter on my Mac because that's where I was having it drafted, which was a pain when I was on my PC. And so I wanted something that worked across operating systems, and this did that for me. Does Obsidian have Kanban boards? It does. I don't use them, but it's under the community plugins. There's tons and tons of plugins here, so you can have like a calendar thing. I don't know why the font is massive. I probably zoomed in on something too much. But Kanban, this is the Obsidian Kanban plugin. And what's cool is like in preview mode it shows the cards, but then in editor mode, as you move things, it just moves things in among the markdown list, which is really, really cool. It's awesome, right? Yeah. A tweet I just saw. If GitHub Copilot does my regex for me, I'm sold. I should have done regex. I'll probably try it. Yeah, it does seem like the kind of thing where it would mess up and be like, oh, thank goodness. Nico, with Obsidian, your data sits in a local folder. Never leave your life's work held hostage in the cloud again. Yeah, no, exactly. And so because it's local first, like I currently have it backed up in Polywork. I just read that blog post there. I currently have it backed up in Dropbox, and then I know like my coworker Ben, he has it backed up in Dropbox. He also uses Obsidian Sync and also commits it all to GitHub. Some people just use GitHub, some people just use one or the other. It's kind of up to you, but yeah. Anyway, plus it's fully stylable. Like all of this is actually CSS styles that I made, which I can send you the CSS styles if you want. It's actually at cast.run/igneous because I wanted another rock type. But let's see. Where is it? Appearance, obviously. Okay. So first of all, there's dark and light mode. My eyes just started bleeding a little bit, but it exists. And then we're using my theme, but there's like Obsidian Nord, and there's red graphite, which red graphite I have a feeling is based on Bear. Yeah, anyway, you can theme it however you'd like, and I'm a snooty person, so I wanted to write my own CSS. Copilot is cool, but the potential implications are scary. Yeah, no, I know, right? It's exciting though. I do want to try some regex really quick though. I'm going to do something here. I'm going to say a function that validates an email address. Oh my word. It did it! There it is. Holy crap. It wrote the regex. That's amazing. That's so cool. I'm gonna, we need Sarah Drasner to make a Fortnite theme for Obsidian. You know, I bet she could use a lot of the same CSS. I'm also going to add this to the gist that we made earlier. Let's see, that was on gist.github.com. Copilot suggestions. Not that. Added. That is wild. What about custom regex? What kind of custom regex do you want me to try? Yeah, now you need to know how to read it. True. What type of custom regex are you thinking? Oh, sure. A function that validates if a string begins with the letter X and is 4 characters long. Well, holy crap. That's it. Oh wait, ends with the letter Y. Okay. Oh, using regex. Okay. Wait, what? A function that validates if it begins with the letter Y and is 4 characters long and ends with the letter Z. What's something that's more complex in regex? Okay, I need to go back to college. That is dang interesting though. Okay, URLs. Function that validates if a URL is valid. That feels like cheating. I mean, I've definitely written that code before, but a function that validates if a string contains 3 letters, then 3 numbers, then 3 letters. There it is. There it is. Thanks, GitHub Copilot. Holy crap. That's wild. People, it's time to get afraid. Wave your hands while you run. Man. Yeah, again, for utility functions, this would be amazing. I'm gonna add this to the gist now, too. Guided by a human hand. True. It needs the human hand to do this right. It's fine. I was giving up my dreams anyway. No! Untied soul, we need you. Man, that is something. That is really cool. I didn't kill that person. It was the human hand! Try in Spanish? What do you want me to try? Oh, like write it in Spanish? Oh man. This is testing my Spanish. Well, that was not what I expected. Holy crap. That used the previous functions in Spanish. I didn't even have to finish writing. I wrote una fun and then it finished función. For those who can't read Spanish, it's a function that validates if a string of characters has the letter X and the length. Basically, the validate X and Y thing together. Alder, I don't know if we want to learn that, but let's find out. Oh my gosh, it's still doing Spanish. That's so cool. Do you speak Spanish? I do, but not confidently. Well, uh-oh. I did. I broke it. What should the function do in Spanish? Wait, what do we do? Well, that's not correct. I'm gonna... Is this a person? Nope, that is not. The worst dressed sentient being in the known universe. Okay, well, there you go. I'm just gonna keep that. Hashtag that's my president. Whoa. Well, I should have guessed that it would type that. That was on me. Yeah. Black Mirth, we actually did that earlier. This entire project is one that it wrote for us, including the CSS styles. It's very ugly. But, is P not MP? Oh, true. That is incorrect. Yeah, we actually did that earlier. And if you'd like to see it, I put that on GitHub. Where am I? This one. Actually, here, I'll deploy it really quick. Putting my employer to good use. This is probably my least favorite part, how long it takes for that to load, or trying to fix it. Okay, so anyway, just gonna deploy this base site, and you can see how ugly it is, but hey, an AI made it. A function that returns a joke, you. Actually, I want to see what that would do while we wait for that to deploy. One second. Okay. You clipped the president thing? Yay! Ha! That's not even a good joke! That's so funny! Oh, you're right. I did estadios instead of estados, so it's not valid. De los estadounidenses? Nope, it's the same. Okay, what if I did it in Spanish? Una función regresa un chiste? That's something. Oh yeah, that's true. There's just no punchline. It's still the same, no matter what. This is just what we're getting. It's a function. Yeah. I don't know how to say punchline in Spanish. Gonna delete that. Or yeah, how about this? Counter component written in Svelte. I think because we're in a React context, it doesn't understand. Yeah, we're playing with Copilot. Here, hang on one second. I'll do another file, and I'll do it, I'll do something in Go, actually. I'll do counter.go. I don't know how to write Go, so here's how I'll do. How do you do comments in Go? Oh, also, here's our ugly app that the AI made. It made this SVG. Isn't that wild? Guided by a human hand, of course, but still! Okay. Just be like Copilot timer. So now it's at copilottimer.netlify.app. That's how I'm gonna learn Rust. Copilot will do it for me. That's right. Let me add this in here. Cool, so now people will be able to see it. All right. Yeah, so oh, it just does it with // Great. Look at me! I'm writing Go! Is that it? Are we done? Oh, no. Okay. Is it just gonna have me keep putting out the output? Huh. I wonder when this will stop. Okay, it stops at 9. Oh, I get it, because it outputs, it's counting up to 10. You know, K, that's more Go than I'll probably ever write. That's amazing. That's pretty dang amazing. Yeah, oh man, advent of code? That would be interesting. Yeah, who here knows Go? Is Gabor or Steven here? Adding to my resume, knows Go. I'll try another one. What's Rust is .rs, right? I've never written Rust before, so let's try it. How to write comments in Rust. It's also / great. Love all of this. Okay. Wow. I know Rust. This is very C-like. Is this C++? Oh, look at that. Why was that added? Let's find out. Did it just take someone's solution from this problem? I guess if it's citing itself, that's a good thing? Copilot Googled the answer. Yeah, no, I mean, like, I'd rather it cite than just, like, say that it knows things, but it's not Rust. I mean, I don't know Rust. I have written C in the past, so this feels very C-like, but, I don't actually know what Rust is supposed to look like. Sure, I'll delete it and try again. Or I'll comment this out. It's still doing this. Are y'all sure? It's still C++? That's fine. It's a computer. That's interesting though, because it's in a .rs file. Yay, yeah, keep your jobs, everybody. Yeah, learn Rust, quick, the AI hasn't learned it yet. What's another language? What if I did something in Haskell? Or Haskell or whatever, yeah. Okay, I don't actually know what the file extensions are for any of these languages, and I should have done that first. I'm gonna do Scheme. I used to know Scheme. I used to write Scheme. It's the .scheme file extension. Okay. Let's go. Binary search .scheme. Let's go. Oh, it does not like this. Oh, this is about to be bad. Oh wow, I haven't... this was a mistake. I don't remember how to write Scheme. Un Tucano, thank you so much for subbing. Okay, starts with a semicolon. Does it know that? No, it does not like Scheme. Hype train! Hey, wait, Guka, thank you so much for the sub. Okay, it doesn't like Scheme. This is fine. I'm just going to rename it. We have that power. I don't want to deal with Scheme. It's fine. Oh, that's an interesting one. Okay, let me not save this. I'm going to delete this really quick. Inside of here, first of all, I want to add these to Hype Train! Kickin' 81. Thank you so much for the gift subs. We got that hype. Okay, let me exit out of this, exit out of this. Let me go to the gist again. Let's see. Okay, we'll just leave it at that. And now I'm going to get rid of all of those. I just want to save all of this beauty that the computer's writing. But I do like the idea of use time leaf. What? Huh, how about that? Okay. Does it know bash? I don't know. Let's see. A function that returns the GitHub repositories for a given user. What? I'm just letting it write. We'll see what it says. Dang. Look at that. Holy crap. This is amazing. And it just stopped. It just stopped after that. Wait, no, tell me more. Tell me more of your words. It's tired, yeah. That's amazing. Holy crap. And it was doing timer because of the file name. Okay, I'm going to get rid of this, as cool as it is. I'm going to get rid of this and I'm gonna just make a new component. New file, and I'm going to be GitHub user.jsx. And I'm going to do no. We're gonna want that, and we're also gonna want use effect. Okay, now I'm going to do a GitHub user component that renders a GitHub user. Let's just see what that means. Nothing. That means nothing. Okay. A GitHub user components that fetches a GitHub user and displays the username and avatar. Yes, that's what I want. It's tired again. Or not! Holy crap, it just got all of that. It just needed a little time to think. Holy crap. What? Okay, so let me put this in the main app and we'll see what that looks like. Yeah, it's had its coffee now. GitHub user. Oh, it even recommended a username. Why do I recognize that name? Is that someone popular? It's just a guy. I'm sure he's nice, but why did it recommend him? I'm gonna do me. We're doing GitHub, or we're trying out GitHub Copilot. Yes. Hype train! Hello friends, thank you. Okay. Let's see what it returns. This is all assuming that this code works that I wrote none of. I wrote none of this. What doesn't it like? Oh, I didn't import it, duh. Okay. Oh, don't worry, it knew. Oh, interesting, that's not how I would have imported it, but that's okay. You're still learning. Cannot read property login of undefined. Oh, I see. Look at that. User is undefined here. Okay, that's fine. Let's see what happened here. Oh, wait. It just didn't pass it in properly. How about now? Oh, there it is. That's me. There it is. Dang. I'm not seeing that H1. Unless it's... Let's see. I wonder why... Oh wait, it's setting the user to user.login. Come on, GitHub, you're better than that. Oh no, stop. Hey look, that's me. That's my face. So it was right, but it missed a few things because it's not the smartest AI. Wait, but why does it not show it anymore? What did I do? Oh, I was rate limited. Of course I was. That's what you get. Yeah, I literally just got API restricted because of Copilot. Thanks a lot, bot. Well, I'm still gonna put this... Can we try accessibility stuff? I did try functions that translate text. Those did not go well. If you look at the gist that we have, actually, it's kind of funny. One of these very long functions, when I tried to translate, I tried translating English words into Spanish, it just translated 1 through 20. And that was it when I tried doing translation stuff. Alderstein, I don't think it can reference links. I don't think it's that smart. It's meant to like pull in code suggestions, not be like, here, I will take this source for you and generate something. It's meant for other things. But yeah, this was interesting, right? Arduino C code? Do we have to? Okay. You're gonna have to guide me though. I genuinely don't know what to do besides doing Arduino.c. Here we are. .ino? Oh, okay. Cool, what next? If I knew C, I wouldn't ask Copilot to do it for me. Yeah, no, I very purposely told myself I would never write C again. Well, actually, we don't need to show that page. What you wanted to say? Do blinky LEDs? A function that lights up an LED when a button is pushed. Okay. Well, not entirely sure who we're giving credit to here, but Wow. I don't know Arduino, so y'all are just gonna have to tell me if this is wrong. But I think this is it. Here we are. Writing Arduino. Yep. Adding this to my resume right now. That is dang cool. I don't know what's happening, but it's very cool. I feel like GitHub should have done the equivalent of Street View blurring faces. I agree. Yeah, no, like, now I'm going to go to this website because I'm curious, but it feels weird. Oh, look at that. Oh yeah, they totally took this person's code. Huh. Fascinating. Code, am I right? That is wild. Well, I just noticed the time. It's been really good, but I definitely planned on stopping this stream like 40 minutes ago. But it's been very fun hanging out with all of you, and watching our jobs slowly slip away from us. Work with AI before it replaces you. Am I right? But yeah, it was definitely a while ago. But thanks so much for hanging out. It was fun. I will have us raid someone. Ooh, we're going to raid Alex. He always has some very cool things to say. Highly recommend his stream. But until then, I hope you all have a lovely day, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye. I said bye.